Good morning everybody, it's Hugh from Berthon. We're looking today at a beautiful Cockwells 32. She's called Ocean Fauna. She's beside me here, out of the water with us here at Berthon. As you can see, she's absolutely stunning. So we filmed a bit of footage a bit earlier, so looking forward to watching that with you now. Good afternoon all, welcome to Berthon. I thought it'd be useful for you just to join us on board a quick walk round tour on this delightful piece of furniture. So we're looking at Ocean Fauna here. She's a 2005 built full custom Cockwells boat. She was built down in Mylor, down in deep Cornwall. And she is an unapologetic take on a gentleman's pilot cutter. So we step down into a really nice deep cockpit. We have a lovely aft bench arrangement with two seats tucked up against her wheelhouse. The wheelhouse is made in Cornish chestnut. The hull is made in Douglas fir, which is strip planked and is then sheathed in an epoxy scrim, so you essentially have a protected timber hull with an epoxy sheath around it, and as you can see she's fully up together and completely modern. So we have Raymarine navigational kit. Looking up at the foredeck, you can see this beautiful swept teak deck, so full teak decks. Superstructure is fully varnished and bright. Triple screens with a windscreen wiper to each, beautiful searchlight on top, and really good bars moving forward for handrails, so you've got plenty to hold on to. The foredeck is completely flush. We have this removable kink plank, so you can pop the anchor on a fold-out mechanism. This boat has a 20kg Bruce and a Prince quick electric windlass just hidden underneath here, so all really neatly tucked away until you need it, and it just flips out the front. A couple of prong nose cleats here, bow roller and a pair of fair leads, so we have cleats also on the deck. There's a really beautiful shear line to the boat which just sweeps down beneath the wheelhouse deckhouse windows. Again, we're back into this aft cockpit, so really good storage, battery access underneath, and we'll just head into the main saloon. So this is finished in Cornish chestnut with some black walnut accents. Beautiful royal blue Alcantara mattresses and cushions. Perfect fenestration all the way around, so you can see out of everywhere, and it's a real pleasure to be on this boat underway because the sight out of the windows is absolutely unbeatable. Engine access is underneath the sole boards here, and then we have access lockers. This one has the bespoke crystal in it, so 6 beautiful glasses there and another set of glasses, and as with everything that Cockwells do, the launch cork is there. It is beautifully, beautifully finished. So main helm is over forward to starboard. We have a pair of Yanmar single lever throttles. It's a really nice chair here. These have been improved since new. So these are bolstered now, and the boat is extremely pleasant to drive both from a seated or standing position. So your switch gear, main engine instrumentation is just on this plinth. Tank tender for your tanks. Navigator's position over to the port side, and an exceptional view forward. And E120 plotter over to port. So the engines have run about 800 hours, so she's actually been fairly lightly used during her ownership, and she is in second ownership from new. So a couple of steps down and you're in this galley area. So we have a Wallace Safe Flame diesel hob burner. Oil switch gear is here, so she's fitted with battery charger, inverter, full RCD protection, etc. Panasonic microwave is just housed in this beautiful Cornish chestnut locker. And a small fridge down there with plenty of access space and drawers, etc. You can see the Cornish chestnut just set alongside the hull there, and That's the Douglas fir planking of the inside of the hull. So we have forest green speckled corian here with a decent sink with hot and cold running water. And then aft of the main galley bulkhead there is a hanging locker with a rail in it, plenty of access in there. And also there's just some swan necking for the plumbing system. The heads are right up in the bows, so it's a centerline head. So it's electric flushing loo set there, beautiful cabinetry right the way around, ventilation in this overhead locker. All of the lighting is in these stunning little lunette bulbs. Again, forest green speckled corian, really nice basin inset there. We'll head back up into her main wheelhouse, so you can see the tank tender for your fuel levels and water levels. She carries around about 380 litres of fuel, so she's got a really good range in a pair of steel tanks. And plenty of bracing areas all the way through the boat. So Cockwells have just finished her to an incredibly high standard. And we'll have a look now just down in her engine room. So this is the twin Yanmar 125 installation in Ocean Fauna. As you can see, the engines are facing the correct way, so we have direct shaft drive back to an aquadrive homokinetic coupling. It's a really, really beautifully white painted out engine bay sitting on timber bearers. We've got the limbering here. Your main raw water strainers are right up forward, so very easy to inspect. We'll have a check down looking aft, so all of this is really easy to get at. You can take out the limbering here also. Belt inspection, very simple. There are expansion bottles just set just underneath the sole. As you can see, these engines are in an absolutely corking state. So the engine compartment, nicely ventilated, very well painted out, and in extremely good order throughout. So these are the 4JHS blocks, and they'll push her along at a cruise of around about 14 knots with a top out at about 18. This is the main helm. So this is Ocean Fauna. She's a 2005 Cockwells Custom 32. Thank you for watching.